Hey guys, welcome back to Grateful Living Cruises. This is Scott, your host today. It is Embarkation Day on the Carnival Breeze for my 5-night adventure to Cozumel and Progreso. I am about to give you guys a room tour, but first I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by my channel, and I hope that you love the content or get some kind of valuable information from the content that I'll be bringing you in this series. And if you like what you're seeing, I hope you'll go watch my other series on all my other cruises I've done so far, and we have tons more coming along the way. So if you like what I have, if you've gotten any value out of it at all, or if you just find it entertaining, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, join the group and join the fun. Let's get started with the room tour. All right, everyone, I have made it to my room here on the Carnival Breeze, and I thought before I messed it all up, I would give you all a room tour. I am this time staying in a interior room, and I'm on an interior floor. So I'm all the way down on the first floor in an interior room, room 1331. So that's the first floor, room 331, 1331. The hallways are nice and wide. We have lots of space here in the hallway. Now let's take a look at the room. So you'll notice right off the bat, she's a little small compared to what we normally have, but sorry y'all, I already undid that because I always check to make sure there's nothing nasty on the bed. That's personal issues, and I forgot to put it back. But this is it. This is the interior room on Carnival Breeze. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but it is small. This is the first time I've ever stayed in a interior room before. I know, troubles, right? But I specifically wanted to stay in an interior room on this ship, one, because it was a free offer from the casino deals, and I'd never stayed in one before, so I wanted to try it out. So I didn't request any upgrades or anything like that. So obviously I have this set up as a king bed. We have 2 lamps on either side with the little end tables. There is a light switch above there to operate the lights from the bed. And then the little drawers with the little end tables have little opening doors. You can separate these if you have to 2 twins. But then you scroll over this way, you'll see there's a small little area where the fridge cooler is, and there's a little shelf there, and then the TV. And then here you have your workstation. You have 4 drawers, and then you have 2 regular outlets, and then 1 European here, and that's it. No USBs or anything, so you'll definitely want to check out an upcoming video I have to help you deal with those issues, so that you can get more utilization from the plugs without being illegal with all of the terms and conditions they have now regarding plugs and extenders, etc. That video will be coming soon. But there's still plenty of space to work here. I don't like that there's a little bench instead of an actual chair, but there's really not a lot of space here to have that anyway. So, you know, it is what it is, but there is a lot of lighting. Here is one of the closets. You do have a full-length mirror here, which is quite nice. And then you have plenty of room here, plenty of shelving. I think there was supposed to have been a bar there, but it's missing. But there's plenty, like tons of hanging space here. They do have the little hooks on it so that you can't take them off. I guess people been stealing ratchetness. And then another whole closet here. So a lot of closet space here on the Carnival Breeze for such a small little cabin. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. Now y'all know, Lord, we have a shower curtain. You know what? It was a free cruise minus port fees and taxes, so I can't complain too much about the shower curtain. But I mean, I wish they would have at least made sure that it was all connected. Oh my Lord. Anyway, we're gonna figure this out. I'm gonna ask them to fix that, or I might try to do it myself. But anyway, other than that, you do have a typical shower. You have your shower gel and shampoo as typical with Carnival. The fixture is the same. You have a little bar here, and you do have your clothesline to dry your clothes, your wet clothes on. So that's quite nice. You know, if you are a big guy, one good thing about having a shower curtain like this, well, I can't even get it open, you guys. What a mess. Hold on, technical difficulties with Carnival Breeze. Anyway, I was gonna say you could open this if you're a big person to have more space here, but I can't get it open, so we'll fight with that later. But my point was to try to give you more space if you're a big guy. You have plenty of towels, plenty of towel racks, and then your storage is about the same as what you'll find on most ships. I do wish it were a little clean. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there are hairs here, so they definitely did not clean my room. Hey, we said we was gonna take the CDC's worst rated cruise. And here we are. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. So yeah, I really wasn't coming on this cruise to try to be nitpicky, but they could have cleaned, seriously. So anyway, we have some more shelves down here and over here, like you would on most normal ships. So anyway, I have the air conditioner on all the way low. You know, the first thing you should do when you come on into your cruise cabin is to put that air conditioner all the way down. This one does not have that boost cool like the newer ships do, but it's an interior cabin, so I'm hoping it's going to get nice and cool. You do have the key card that operates the electricity, but someone already had a card in there, so it's fine. Of course, you have your safety information, shows you where your muster station is, and then of course your peephole. So this is the room for the next 5 nights, you guys. I'm gonna get that cleanliness issue rectified and hopefully get the shower curtain fixed. And there's an issue with the bed I found. I promise I'm not trying to be nitpicky, but I'm gonna try to get those issues resolved, and then we'll find out what we're gonna do. I know there's a welcome show tonight. I definitely want to go to that. We'll go to dinner at some point, but as always, I first wanted to show you guys my room.